You guys, there's like a lot of birds. Look at that. Look at that. There's 3 of them. I mean, there was 3. Oh, no, there's a lot of them. Look. Yeah, look. There's a lot of them. Look at that. I thought there was one going here, but no. Look at that one. Look at this one. There's like a lot of them. Yeah. Should I get closer? Hold on. Wait. Okay. Oh man, they flew away. Oh man, I must have been scared. Alright, well that's all I'm gonna show you guys. I promise I'll upload a new video later on. So yeah. Bye.